on, go. Go, continue. A circle, a circle. Number 8, number 8. Next. That's so big, Dylan. That's so big. Make it smaller. Go, start. Oh, excuse me. Right, number 8, number 8, number 8. Go. Go on. Next. Good job. Next. Go on, go on. Go on, number 8, number 8. Okay, next. Very good. Next. Next, number 8. 8 again, go. Good job. Next. Okay. Go on, go on. Sige, number 8, Dylan. Go on. Sige, start number 8. 8. 8. Okay, next. Next. Good job. Next. Excuse me, stay. See, look at here, go. Number 8, go. 8. Go on. Okay, next. Very good. Next. 8 again. Very good. Next. Okay, good job. Next. Another 8. Then next. Good job. Next. Okay, last one. Yeah, last one. Go. Number 8. Right, number 8. Go on. Okay, next. Next, go. Start with a circle. Next. Okay, next. Good job. Next. Start with a circle again. Then, next. What's the next step? Oh, what's the next step? You have to write. Go. Next. Go on, go on. Go on, start with a circle. Go. Okay. Next, what's the next step? Sige na, dali. What's the next step? Good job. Next. Oy. Okay, next. What about the circle over here? Go. Good job. Next. Start with the circle first. Go. Then, next. Very good. Next. Next. Oh, what about the circle? Next. Start with a circle first. Go. Okay, next. Very good. Next. Last one. Last one. Then the next step. Go. Good job. Then a circle. Very good. Do it again. Number 10. That's number 10. Okay, do it again. Over here. Go. Go, Dylan. Go on. Go on. Okay, go on. Do it again. Do it again. Go. Go. Start. Do it again. Go. Number 10. Write the number 10. Then a circle. 0. Okay, go. More. More. Go, go. More. Go. Start with number 1. Then 0. More. 1. Then 0. Next. 1. Then 0. More. 1. 1. Then 0. Okay, next. Last two. Okay. 1. And 0. Next. 1. And 0. Very good. Good job.